cards, so recording is going to be minimal today. We're going to make our way up to the Loves here, get some fuel, get a scale ticket, and then we will head down the road as we can. Got a nice little wind going, of course. I had to back up here after I got on the scale. You know, pulled around here so I could go in and get my ticket. And tanker in front of me couldn't make it up this little incline here, so I had to back up into the pump instead of pulling forward like you're supposed to. I just think he didn't get himself enough momentum to get up the old hill here, or that he didn't lock his diff, or you know, he was just going too slow, or he may have been empty, so he didn't have any weight. So I had to park. Basically, I had to park at the pump in order to get my scale ticket.
Slide right on Pace Road and then take the entrance to the right in 160 feet.
It's like right here, you know, we got, you know, it's a downward, you know, down incline coming up to a stop sign, you know. So you gotta take it slow and easy, And I'm taking this turn nice and wide, you know, just to keep the truck as straight as possible for as long as possible. You know, you can't be doing sudden acceleration, sudden starts, you know, sudden stopping. You know, you can't be turning the wheel too sharp. You want to, you want to square off the corners as much as possible. You're a little slipping there. Just give yourself all the room in the world to do everything. There ain't nowhere you gotta be right now. You're not a doctor. You're not a policeman. You're not a soldier going at war. You're not, you know, you're not a nuclear you're not a super spy, you know, going to defuse a nuclear bomb in downtown Denver.
In a half mile, turn left on.
You're not a fireman.
Street.
You're not an ambulance. Slow down. Don't risk your life because you want to go just a little bit faster. There's really nothing that you carry, you know, as a truck driver. You know, 0.00001% of anything you'll carry as a truck driver is absolutely mandatory. It has to be there at the cost of your life, because hundreds of other people may die. You know, everything that you carry can wait. Oh yeah, they might be upset because you're delayed, but it's either you get there or you don't get
this
there.
road for 112 miles.
I'd rather get there alive. I'd rather get there alive and a little bit late than not at all, because I've crashed, flipped the truck, jackknifed it, rolled it, had it burned to the ground, or I'm dead or injured in the hospital. You know, this idea you have to go as fast as possible. Now I got to call my receivers and say, hey, road's closed. There ain't a damn thing I can do for you. You're going to be delayed. And I got to call dispatch. How are they going to take me off this? I got the load on the truck.
Turn left at 600 feet.
No, I picked up yesterday.
Chapel Drive and then slight right in 720 feet.
Yeah.
Way station ahead.
So, yeah, so that's all right. Like I said, you know, I'm full of loads. Yeah. Well, I'll say I got my park at the Walmart. Not too bad. Let's see. We're gonna get our way in here. Where do we go? I guess we're going to go forward here. Like I said, lots of trucks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, well over a dozen trucks in here already. Yeah, they're plowing as best they can the parking lot, so yeah, so you know, there's a Walmart, so at least we got bathrooms. You know, so there we go. All right. And I'm not parking where I gotta accelerate up the hill like that. Now, screw that. Get around this plat. Yeah, go get your grub on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Have a waffle on me. Yeah. A couple of sausage links. Way to go, Masilla Transport. Way to park like a freaking moron. That's right. Yeah, just keep it safe. Oh yeah, well I'll be here at Walmart. Yeah, stuck in Trinidad, Colorado. So. Oh yeah. All right, just be safe out there. Don't kill yourself with the heart attack. Yeah. All right, brother. Talk to you later. Bye. Yeah. Whew. All right, so we are here in Trinidad, Colorado. They closed Raton Pass here on I-25, as you saw by the gates being down, the police blocking the road. So they are detouring everybody off here at exit 11. It's just one of them things, you know. It's going to delay the load, but if they shut the road down, there ain't a dang thing I can do about it.